Hi, this is Tony. Today we're talking about the LiftMaster LA412 and the LA412 Dual solar gate opener. This gate opener is rated for up to 16 feet in length and up to 550 pounds by LiftMaster. It comes in your choice of control boards. It is a MyQ gate opener and also comes with a 10-watt solar panel. Now let's look at the inside of the unit. Okay, now we've broken it down and we've gotten into the inside. First of all, there is a lockable release right here. All you do is unlock it, flip the lever, and you can push the gate open and closed. That's a great feature for the LiftMaster. The motor is a little over 2¼ inches in diameter and about 4 inches long. It drives a stainless steel, nice gearing system, brass, that is a worm drive, and then runs this shaft here that has two different pitches in the threads. This pitch here pushes the piston in and out. This pitch here controls the limit switch system. And this limit switch lets the control board know when the gate is unlocked. So it's a pretty good, good quality motors, good quality gears. The limit switches sometimes need to be replaced. They're not magnetic, they're mechanical. So they're subject to dirt getting into it, which is probably about this motor's only downside. Let's go ahead and look at the control board options and show you what's available there. Now let's go over your control board enclosure options. First, let's address the solar panel. No matter which option you choose, it comes standard with a 10-watt solar panel. This particular enclosure is a standard enclosure. It is a plastic enclosure, and there are two 7-amp-hour batteries behind the control board for a total of 14 amp hours. For solar, the optional steel box allows you to put a 35 amp-hour battery in it and still gives you plenty of room inside the box. Now let's look directly at the board here. Included with either control board enclosure is the LiftMaster MyQ control board. This is an advanced control board that has a lot of very cool options. First of all, setting the limits is quite easy. You either open or close the gate using these two buttons, and then you set either the closed or the open limit using these two buttons when the gate's in the correct position. This switch tells you which arm in a dual situation you're using. Another cool feature of this gate opener, which is new, is that it uses the average force needed for the last 3 cycles to determine how much force it's going to have, plus a little bit more, which is determined by this. So when it's getting colder, it will automatically adjust to the extra force needed pushing the gate open and closed in winter months. It is also a very versatile board. You've got connections for your 35 amp hour battery here and DC connections for your solar panels here. The battery sits down in here. Unfortunately, it does not accept a group size 24 deep cycle battery, which would be about twice the capacity of that 35 amp hour battery. But it does do 35 amp hours, which is in many cases plenty. This particular LiftMaster MyQ board has a really interesting feature. In a dual gate setup, you can choose to buy 2 single gate openers and communicate wirelessly between the 2 sides. This gives you an option in a solar gate opener to not even have to go underneath the driveway at all in a dual gate opener situation. You can use the learn buttons to teach the two to communicate to one another properly, and when you push the one clicker, both gates will open. Let's talk a little bit about what Gatecrafters does when we sell a LiftMaster. LiftMaster base kits comes with no remotes. Gatecrafters are going to give you 2 LiftMaster remotes with it when you buy your kit standard. Additionally, I mentioned before this was a MyQ board. What is special about MyQ is you can use an app on your smartphone to both open your gate and confirm that it's closed. You need to buy this internet gateway which plugs into your router, and then make a connection between the internet gateway and the MyQ web portal. But with that done, you can tell when your gate is open, and you can close it from your cell phone wherever you are. Additionally, you can talk wirelessly with the garage door monitor that you might want to put next to your bed or something like that to ensure your garage door is closed. And you control other things like lighting. They're also working on having this hook up with the Nest thermostat, so you can use the MyQ app to check your air conditioner, turn it on and off, and reset it. So this is the new era of gate openers, and LiftMaster is bringing it to you right now. Additionally, we've got some new features on the MyQ, which is this darker casing, this very sexy red racing stripe, and it comes with a 2-year warranty from LiftMaster. I started Gatecrafters in 2002 with one goal in mind. That's to provide high-quality gate openers to homeowners who wanted to do it themselves. Today we have a staff that's available from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week to help you find a great gate for your property, the correct gate opener for your gate, and the right accessories to make it work the way that you want it to work. Feel free to give us a call, live chat, or email, and we'll see you next video.